Okay, page 482, numbers 11 and 15. There's similar problems with the exact same directions, so I'm going to do them together. What we're asked to do is to eliminate the parameter algebraically, so use an algebraic model to eliminate the parameter, and then identify the graph. And what I didn't write that was in the book is you can use your graphing calculator to verify what you get. So the idea is to look at your two parametric equations and solve one of them for t and then substitute in the other one, and then get your rectangular equation from that. So as you can see, our y equation is already solved for t. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute y in the x equation where I see a t. So I'm going to have x equals 1 plus y. And then solving this for y, I'm going to have y equals x minus 1. So we can see that this is a line. That's the equation of a line. And it passes through the points 0, negative 1, and the point 1, 0. Now just to verify that graphically, what we can do is put them in our graphing calculator. So first, looking at the 84, I have the two equations in, and I reset my window to our typical window where t goes from 0 to 2 pi, and I left the step alone, and the graph for x and y is just our standard graph. And when I look at it, I will see I do have this line. It's actually a line segment because I bounded it by my choice of t between 0 and 2 pi. So you can see that it passes through the point 1, 0, and if I were to change my t value, it would pass through the point 0, negative 1. So what I would need to do is change my t. Let's change this to negative 2, and then look at our graph, and you can see it does pass through there. So as I adjust the t value, the range of the t values, I get a longer line segment. Eventually, I can have a line for that. Then looking at the Inspire, we have the same idea. So I entered in the two equations. I reset the t-step, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my minimum t again to negative 2. So we can see the 2 points that I picked for my graph, and you can see that it is a line that goes through 0, negative 1, and 1, 0.